There's a time by the Rebbe gave tikinam for Anshe Shalamaymi. Only a few years. They come to the Rebbe give everyone an envelope with a letter. You have to fast Kuf Daled and Kuf Gimel Ir. You have to fast high Uder. So there was some guy that did very, very bad things. And he think the Rebbe gonna give me a ticket to fast a whole year. He opened the envelope. You see, the Rebbe told him to fast 1 day, 2 days in the year. He asked the Rebbe, "Wow, this is a little thing. This is my. I do such bad things." So the Rebbe told him this story from Elisha. You see, Naaman didn't believe that if you're gonna go to the Yarden and deep 7 times, that ash gonna go away. People think they have to do such big things to get back to Hashem. The Rebbe teach us, no, every little thing. You're going to the mikveh, you make a tefillah. It's very chushev. If a person talks to Hashem in his language, your language is English, don't try to imitate no. Use Hashem, help me. The problem is everyone wants to do what the others do. If everyone was going to be happy with myself, this is going to be Mashiach Kiman. This is going to be the Gehle. Everyone wants to do. I'm not happy with myself. I want to do what this guy do what he's doing, and I'm going to do what I'm doing. My language is English. I'm going to talk to Hashem in English. Hashem, help me. I need a yeshia. I want to be good. I want to be happy. I'm so down. I'm so depressed. And I'm so not happy. And I don't know what to do. Every day I'm waking up in the morning. I don't have an appetite. Not to nothing. I don't know. I don't want to go work. I don't want to go learn. Help me, Hashem. I want to be happy. This is very chushev, Mam Eibishten. Little things.